Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and our last week, week 17, and the final activities. Hey, first of all, let me just say thank you to all of you who have kept working so hard these last 2 months, and it's been kind of a crazy ride. And I know some of you are full-time online students, many of you are not, but we've all pulled together here. And so to all of you that worked really hard to earn a good grade in this class, I really appreciate your hard work. And some of you worked and earned a grade as well. So all of that, I know it's been a crazy time for everyone. So week 17, suggested schedule here. And please notice starting Tuesday the 12th, and then next week, Tuesday the 19th, please try the suggested schedules to get everything in. And then Wednesday the 20th, everything needs to be turned in by 3 p.m. No exceptions. Sorry, can't make any exceptions. But if you have any questions, be looking at your grade book now. Get this stuff done now. Just follow the suggested schedule. Notice that here in week 17, we have the Unit 4 assessment discussion that I'd like you to complete. The Unit 4 assessment to go on and complete, and the final project then after that. And you'll need to go back and get some of the stuff you did from week 16 to complete that. With the assessment, please make sure under the Unit 4 assessment discussion, you're giving feedback to your classmates. Please make sure you're giving good, strong, constructive feedback. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, thank you to everyone who's worked so hard. Thank you to everyone who really had to make an adjustment during this semester, the last couple of months and everything. And you just really need to know, to let me know if you have any questions. Don't wait until Wednesday the 20th to let me know if you have any discussions or any questions. Sorry about that. So with that, have a great one. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Been a great year. Bye.